Hey guys, hello everyone. So, for all the students who are inquiring about new courses, new detailed batches for the December 2024 CSIR UGC NET preparation, as well as for those who are inquiring about the 1 year validity course. So, guys, there are a lot of students who are maybe in their MSc previous years and they want 1 year course for the preparation. जो इंक्वायरी आ रही थी उसके बेसिस पे दो कोर्सेज ऑलरेडी मैंने डिज़ाइन कर दिए हैं. दिस इज़ ऑन माय ऐप रसायन अकेडमी. All you have to do is download the app Rasayan Academy from the Google Play Store. The link is going to be in the description in the video. So what you have to do is you have to look for the course Alchemist Detailed Batch. That is a 1 year course because बहुत सारे students को 1 year की validity चाहिए. All the important topics of all three subjects will be covered along with the question practice along with complete mock test. Yes guys, the complete mock test which you buy at the near your examination. तो आप एग्ज़ाम के पास जो mock test series खरीदते हो, all of that is going to be free within this course only. Okay, along with the doubt support, along with the assignment practice, all those things. And all you have to do is you don't forget to avail the 15% discount because काफ़ी सारे student भूल जाते हैं discount लगाना. तो please avail the discount of 15% off. It is only going to be available till 30th of June. One more batch named Target Detailed Batch, and that batch is for the December 2024 examination specifically. But for the sake of students, I have increased the validity till your February 2025 गेट एग्जामिनेशन, ताकि आपको दोनों एग्ज़ाम का बेनिफिट हो, December 24 का और गेट एग्जामिनेशन का. तो ये जो कोर्स है टारगेट कोर्स, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा वैलिडिटी का कोर्स आपको मिल रहा है. एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो गोइंग टू कवर ऑल द थ्री सब्जेक्ट्स अलॉन्ग विद द मॉक टेस्ट, अलॉन्ग विद डाउट सपोर्ट, एवरीथिंग दैट यू नीड. So what are you waiting for? Just join the courses, download my app, and if you have any trouble you can call or message me on this number. You can also message me on Telegram. I'll see you all soon in the courses.